Everyone, and good morning. I'm Chanel from Stampin Stilettos, back with my March Madness giveaways. Now I'm here to tell you about this exciting giveaway. You may have realised that you've been given raffle tickets this morning. Now I've been handing out raffle tickets to subscribers that have commented on videos in the last week, and every video that you comment on from now until the end of March, you will be given another raffle ticket. Now I'm going to do daily giveaways, so that's why I've been handing out raffle tickets already, because we are going to have a giveaway today. And every video from now on that I put up and you message on, you put a comment on, or any of my old videos that you are watching and you put a comment on, you will keep getting raffle tickets. So please keep a note of your raffle ticket numbers, and I will be drawing one out every single day and giving away a prize. Now this here are just some of the prizes that I will be giving away, so let me just show you some of them. Now we've got some of the things excuse me that I have made in the last week. So these are 3 of the projects that I've made this week. That's going to be one giveaway, are these lovely 3 items, so that's one giveaway. We have a couple of more of these little mini albums that I have made, and these have been decorated, and of course it's lovely, gorgeous, hiding in there. So there are 2 of those. I'll just quickly show you this one, and look, isn't she cute? Oh, that's a bit odd. Look what I've done. Oh no, I put a backing on that one. I thought that was too thick. So that's another one. And then I have a gorgeous stamp here. Now I have some of these fab scraps. And these are just sort of like chipboard, little sayings and things for your scrapbooking. What's this one say? Summertime. So there are some of those. Friendship. Oh, that one's cute. Then I have some little embellishments. So we've got, I don't know, lots of little crafty bits, like these little fans, and some leather thread, some wooden tags, a wooden owl. This is a little decoupage card kit with 10 decoupage sheets and embellishments, so get some fun with that. More embellishments. I've got a couple of those. Got some of these fab scraps, which are great for your scrapbooking. Got quite a few pages of those. I have some cardstock, which are gorgeous colours. Coral pink, raspberry pink, aubergine purple, amber yellow, cream and bright white. And there are 6 sheets of it's weave texture cardstock. Some fabric handmade labels. Glittered envelopes, 10 pack. So super cute. More sort of chipboardy scraps for your scrapbooking. And there's a bag there of mixed ones as well. And then there's a chipboard heart. Now these are just some of the things that I'm giving away. I will be adding more and more to this pile, because I have quite a few more days left for the month of March. So today's giveaway, and we're going to draw out the winner now. So today's giveaway will be these 3 items that I have made this week. So you have a tag, a card, Easter card, there will be an envelope with that, and a bookmark. So shall we see who's won today's prize? So let me have a Now, like I said, if you go to your activity icon thing at the bottom of your YouTube, you will see that if you've left a comment in the last few days on videos, you should have received a raffle ticket. Oh, let me just... And the lucky winner is number 26. So please have a look at your messages, and if you have the lucky ticket, then please email me. My email address is in the comment in the description box, so please email me your address, and these 3 items will be on their way to you. So congratulations, number 26. I don't know without looking who's won, so have a look at your tickets, and please keep your numbers safe, because if you comment on videos, you will keep receiving raffle tickets, and they will keep going in, and they will be drawn out every day. I will be doing a giveaway, so that's today's giveaway. Well done, lucky number 26, and I look forward to finding out who you are. So take care for now. Good luck, everyone. We have quite a lot more days left in March, so keep your eyes out for your raffle tickets and for the videos. So take care and see you soon. Bye bye.